what is this revolutionary technology that everybody's talking about? Well, I really love this quote because Asimov has these laws around robotics, and one thing that he says is a robot may not injure a human being through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. And this is the idea of AI that's seen in the general public. This is the idea of AI that has been sent from the future to kill us, right? Killer robots. The AI that won't open up the pod bay doors. That AI is artificial general intelligence. Computer intelligence that's more or less indistinguishable from human intelligence. That AI does not and may never exist. And it's not what we're talking about today. The AI that we're talking about today is not at all human-like. But like I said before, it's precisely its inhumanity that makes it so useful. The AI we're talking about today is narrow AI. It's narrowly focused intelligence. It's really, really good at just one subject. So I love Porsches. A narrow AI could identify the model year of a Porsche based on its taillights alone. But that's also something that I can really do. But I can also play tic-tac-toe and fry an egg and dance and enjoy music. That takes general intelligence. A narrow AI could identify those Porsches, but that's it. It's good at performing a highly specific task, but it's really, really good at those tasks, oftentimes better or at least faster than us humans are. And that's what makes it useful.